Hey guys, so I just wanted to go through the properties of different types of triangles so that we can know what we need to know in order to prove it. So in order to prove that something was a triangle was a scalene triangle, you would have to show that all of its sides are different lengths, because a scalene triangle is a triangle that has all sides of different lengths. So for instance, you might have to show that this side was 3, let's say, and this side was 5, and this other side was 6. You'd have to show that they're all different. And you would have to say that in order to show that it's a scalene triangle, in order to prove it. The second type of triangle we're going to look at is the right triangle. Now, a right triangle is a triangle with exactly one 90-degree angle. You guys probably knew that, but just in case, I want to remind you how we figure that out. So in order to know that a triangle has a right angle, you would have to show that two of its adjacent sides that are touching each other, like here, meet at a 90-degree angle or are perpendicular to each other. Now, as a reminder, the way we figure out perpendicular on the coordinate grid is we look at the slopes. We have to say, okay, this slope and this slope have to be negative reciprocals of each other. And if you can prove that, if you can show that they're negative reciprocals, then you know that they are perpendicular to each other. The last triangle we're going to look at is the isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with one pair of congruent sides. What that means is that two of the sides are the same length. So in order to show that something was an isosceles triangle, you would have to show that at least two of the sides had the same length of one another. And remember, the way we show length on the coordinate grid is by using the distance formula. So you'd have to use the distance formula to show that this side and this side were the same length. Again, guys, if you missed any part of the video, you weren't able to follow or it went by too quickly, just rewind and you can watch any part of the video again. Good luck.